In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Sezzle virtual card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can find your Sezzle digital card tab available in the latest version of the Sezzle app on your phone. So all you have to do is download the app from the Play Store or the App Store, update it to the latest version, and after you log into your account, you should be able to see the Sezzle card tab at the bottom of the screen. When you select the Sezzle card, you can register for a card, and if you are approved, you will be able to use it on digital retailers online or shop in store using the card. As you can see, if you click the tab, you can select Sezzle virtual card at the top or shop in store as you can see over here and input your zip code. The map will then display a list of everywhere that you can use your Sezzle digital card or Sezzle virtual card in order to check out. As long as the store is listed here, you will be able to use it as a valid payment method during the checkout. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your Sezzle virtual card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.